everyone, welcome back to my channel. Serena B here, and today I have some fun projects I'd like to share with you all. I created some positive happy mail for a swap I was in with my friend Amber. She's Scrap Owl Amy, and I'll link her YouTube and her Instagram down below. And we came up with the idea to do like a positive swap kind of thing. I already got hers and it was super awesome. I loved every single thing. I wanted to just quickly come on here and show you guys what I made for her. I use mostly Willow and then some things from my stash. So I'm gonna go through every little thing to share with you guys. So let's get started. So we had agreed to make some project life cards for each other, and I just used up some scraps from my stash and I just had a lot of fun, so I made a little bit more than I thought I would. That's okay. So these are the cards that I made. Just again using lots of scraps. These are from Dear Lizzie, Maggie Holmes, and then these stickers that say the best is yet to come and begin anywhere. That is from Studio Calico. I try to use these Tim Holtz word stickers throughout all my projects. So this one's really cute. I just use scraps of paper and again die cuts and random embellishments and stickers from my stash. Good vibes. This is just a piece of vellum, and this little rubber shape is from A Beautiful Mess, and I just stapled it really simple, and that way she can add her photo under there. This is just using a variety of different embellishments from my stash. And so those are the cards I made for her. But one of the embellishments I made was this swan and this little flourish here. So what I did was I just backed it up on some paper, added another die cut from my stash, added some ribbon and some enamel dots, and I made a really quick card. I altered this little notebook that I got over the summer at Michael's. It's really cute. It had a holographic cactus on it, but I didn't like that, and I thought this would be really cute for a little gratitude journal because the whole theme was positivity and just happy mail that is for when you need a pick-me-up. That was kind of how I was thinking about it. A gratitude journal is perfect to include. Again, using Maggie Holmes Willow paper die cut. These are stickers from the Maggie Holmes sticker book, so it's a different collection, but it's from Maggie Holmes as well. And the stickers from there as well. This is just some gold floral ribbon, and then these are letters that I got in a haul from Daiso. If you want to see that haul, I'll link it down below, and I just spelled out gratitude on top of little scrap of paper. So yeah, it's really simple, but I thought this would be really fun to journal all the different things she's grateful for, or even just like a positive thoughts journal. She can use it whichever way she'd like. And then I created this little positivity jar. I really like this idea. I have one for myself. It's not decorated or anything, but this is where I got the idea. I write different quotes to myself, quotes that I like, things I write. I journal almost daily. So if I journal something that I really like, I'll write it out and I'll put it in here. The idea of this is a positivity jar. So whenever I need a pick-me-up, or if I'm feeling low, or if I just need some inspiration, or just a motivational quote, I can go into my little jar here and pick a fun one. Let's just pick one for fun. Let's see what it says. So it says, "Through love I will heal." So little things like that. And yeah, so just like as a little pick-me-up. So I had the idea of making one for her as well. This jar is actually from their Halloween embellishments I got from Michael's. So I reused the jar and I made a whole sheet full of different quotes for her. But there's a lot of room so she can add to it. That's the whole point, you know, I want her to be able to add to it if she'd like. And some of them, let me see what... And just as an example, use your words to bless your future, not curse it. So I have a bunch of different positive sayings, a lot of the ones that I really like. I even have one from my friend Danny in here that says, you can't do better than your best. I have a couple that I made up myself as well. So I just typed them out and then just trimmed it and then put them in here. And then I want to decorate the lids, so I used some Maggie Holmes paper. This is also Maggie Holmes die cut, and then a Tim Holtz sticker. I don't know where this die cut is from, and this is from Dear Lizzie Serendipity. And then I added some matching enamel dots and this little bow that I got in some Happy Mail recently. And then I wrote a little tag to kind of explain what it is, but I'm gonna add a sticker here. It's very plain, so I'm gonna add some kind of sticker or stamp something over here for her. So yeah, that is my little positivity jar. It's really cute. I love that there's a lot of room for her to add to it, and I really hope she enjoys it and that she can make use of it, and I hope she likes the quotes I put in there as well. And then last but not least, I created a little mini album for her. I absolutely love this so much. I want to keep making a ton of these for like every occasion. It's the perfect little Happy Mail gift for any pen pal or any friend that you have. And I got the idea from the crepe paper blog, and it was from Bia, I think that's how you pronounce her name. So anyway, I just used this light purple seam binding because it matched the purple on the butterfly. It says "You are magic," and these are all from Willow Lane, except for these stickers. I got them at Hobby Lobby, and then it opens like this. Isn't it cute? So let me put this down so I can show you. It's super easy to make, guys, and I can't wait to make some for the Christmas season. So yeah, it's like a little fold up mini album. So I went to Costa Rica over the summer, and I took some of the pictures from our trip, and I created a little mini album for her so she could remember it, because it was a very life altering trip for her, and much needed during the season of her life, and so I wanted to document it for her. So this first little spot, I just added a die cut from the Willow Lane collection, a sticker. Everything is Willow Lane. If whatever isn't Willow Lane, I'll mention, but everything's pretty much Willow Lane, the washi tape as well. And then, so in here I put a little tag. I used this Willow Lane frame die cut, and it framed her photo perfectly, so I just added some of that. The enamel dots are just from my stash. And then I took the Tombow mono drawing pen just to create little lines so that she can journal. Oh, sorry about the blurriness. And then this is just a tag from Good Vibes, and I just put it there if she wants to do some more journaling, or if she wants to decorate it, or she can take it out and keep it in her stash for some other project. And then in this pocket here, there's this little die cut again from the Willow Lane collection, and this is lemonade, so I just put life plus lemons, lemonade. And these are actually alphas that she sent me in her swap. And then this is one of my favorites. It's so cute. So this is a picture of her at a waterfall, and then a sticker that says "Love This Life," a little rose sticker here, some heart stickers, and then the back is a die cut piece, and I just cut the top off of it. I added a scrap of paper, a butterfly sticker from the same Maggie Holmes sticker book that you guys can pick up at Hobby Lobby. And yeah, so she has a space for journaling about this photo, and it just tucks in really simple. For this pocket, I use another die cut piece and a sticker from the collection, and then some enamel dots, and then I just decorated it with a little floral sticker here as well. And then this pocket here, I use another scrap of paper, a heart enamel piece. This sticker that says "Keep Moving Forward," I recently picked up again in the States from Tuesday Mornings. If you guys want to see that haul, again, it will be linked in this video. This is my favorite card of the whole mini album. I just love how it turned out. This is a beautiful picture for her. She just looks so happy and so joyful, and it says "Be Your Beautiful Self," and that's another Tim Holtz sticker. Use some scraps, some stickers from the collection. Again, that floral little ribbon here, I love using it. And the back is simple. She can add a sticker or a photo or whatever she'd like to the back of it. So this is a photo that I printed in my stash to use in my project life, but I never got around to it, and I thought it was really nice to put in this album. So what I did was I backed it up with some pattern paper from the collection, some washi tape. This is from my stash. This is Willow Lane, and then again drew out some lines so she can journal. Again, that tucks in really easily back into that little slot. And then this one's really cool. I use one of those puffy foam stickers, again from the collection, and then I decorated the back of it. So I used some stickers, again, all from the same collection, Willow Lane. A sticker from Tim Holtz that says "See Possibility Everywhere," some enamel dots that match the rest of the little mini album. And then this one is a simple, I hope it's focusing. So I just put a sticker. This is actually from Oasis, and it says "A Travel Life," and then the back is simple as well. So the work is all done for her, but there's spots for journaling, and she can always add photos if she'd like. There's a lot of room in the pockets, like it expands, so you guys can see. There's a lot of room in the pockets if she wants to add some ephemera from her trip or whatever she'd like, some extra journaling, or maybe even a letter to herself about the trip and how much it means to her. Just different ideas that she can do. And yeah, so it's a really adorable, easy little project. You just tie it up together with the seam binding. You can use any ribbon you'd like. Let me know if you'd like to see a tutorial. Again, I got the idea off of the Crepe Paper blog, but they're just mostly photos. So if you do want to see a tutorial on this, let me know. I can easily make one. I can make so many of these for myself. They're really fun. Like, you know, you can make one for For me, for example, I could make one to document Disney when I went for Halloween, or like make a little mini album with photos from Beetle House when I went for the first time in LA and stuff like that. There's just so many different ideas and ways you can make a cute little mini album for yourself. I just used a scrap of paper, but you can make them a lot longer if you like, a lot bigger. It really just depends on the paper you use. But anyway, again, if you do want to see a tutorial, let me know, leave a comment down below. So yeah, these are all the projects I made for my friend Amber. I hope she enjoys and likes everything that I put together for her. And let me know what you think of this idea of creating positive happy mail. I think it's a great idea. And it was really fun to do because it was like a break from creating Halloween and a break from creating Christmas stuff. So I really enjoyed working on this, and I can't wait until she has it in her hands, and I hope she loves everything. Again, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!